Today we are going to start with quadrilaterals. We have already, yesterday we did triangles. We learned naming of triangles. We learned how to find angles in the triangle, how to find the sides which are common in the triangle. We worked and we applied that. Today we are going to learn quadrilaterals. Can you all see the video on the screen?
Ma'am, no, only link.
No, ma'am.
Only? Children, can you see
Only the link.
only? Repeat what are you?
Ma'am.
Can you see the slide on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who joined just now? 3 children joined just now. I am sending the link for them again. Please mark your attendance. Now children, I am making you understand. Ma'am explain करेंगी और साथ में you are going to write also. And let me explain first. What are quadrilaterals? A four-sided polygon. A polygon which has got 4 sides. Polygon means which is made up of line segments. And because the word is quadrilaterals, here quad means 4 and lateral means side. You are going to only write this. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Write down. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. I want to see you people writing. I want to see you people writing. I want to see you people writing. Start writing. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. I think 3, 4, 5 times I have told. वैसा polygon जिसकी 4 sides हो, that is called a quadrilateral. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Have you written, children? You need not to write this. Need not to write this. Quad means this. अच्छी से समझ लो. Only write this. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Then we will talk about its 4 sides, vertices and angles. How many sides a quadrilateral has? And right now we have talked about how many sides quadrilateral has? 4. How many vertices? How many vertices?
Ma'am, 4. 4.
And also 4 angles.
Angles.
Okay.
4 angles.
Now these are different types of quadrilateral. Different types of quadrilateral. Whose video audio is on? Somebody's audio.
Ma'am, can you move to the previous slide once?
बेटा उसमें आपको सिर्फ एक ही तो लाइन लिखना था. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral, and 10 times I have repeated that line. Then I am telling you different names of quadrilaterals. Different names of quadrilateral. You must have heard all these quadrilaterals. This is square, which has got all sides equal. This is rectangle, it has got 2 opposite sides. No need. Just understand. Opposite sides equal. Trapezium has one pair parallel. Rhombus has opposite sides parallel, but not and all equal also. Parallelogram has opposite sides parallel and opposite sides are equal also. Kite has adjacent sides equal. Adjacent का मतलब इसके साथ साथ चलने वाली. This and these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal, not all. These are the few names of quadrilaterals. I'll send the PPT, you can again go through it. This is important. How to write the sides, name of the sides of quadrilateral, how to write four angles, and how to write diagonals. Diagonals means these are called adjacent and sides, vertices. AB. AB is adjacent vertices. BC. Adjacent vertices. Adjacent का मतलब एक साथ, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक. अगर हम opposite side, opposite vertices को join करते हैं, if we join two non-adjacent vertices, we get diagonal. So this way, AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. Please note down this also. Draw the figure, write four sides, four angles and two diagonals. Please draw this figure with the help of ruler and pencil. Draw this figure with the help of ruler and pencil. Draw this figure with the help of ruler and pencil. Draw this figure with the help of ruler and pencil. Four sides, name the four sides and four angles and two diagonals. Two diagonals. Four sides, four angles and two diagonals. Four sides, four angles and two diagonals. So now I want to see you people writing, so please put your videos on. I want to see you people writing. Ekam, have you written? Ananya, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 2 parts left.
Okay, hurry up. Vivansh, have you written? Garvit, I cannot see you. Yes, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Likho
yes.
beta. Kabir, have you written?
Last part.
Kabir, have you written?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, मैंने बोल दिया था.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also read.
Viraj, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Ashwin, Prakash, Tasmiya, Bharvi. Are you writing? Or have you written?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I'm writing.
Okay, okay. You're done with this.
Ma'am, please wait.
I'm waiting. Vinayak. Hiral, are you writing? Have you written? Ayan, Vatsal, Chaitanya, Drishti, Shaurya, Nagpal, Nivedita, Vihan, Lakshika, Aditya, Krishnendu, Garb, Preeti, Aradhana, Shaurya Khanna, Virat Sachdeva, Kashvi, Rehan, Arshit. Please show me your faces. I want to see you people writing. By whose permission you people switch off your camera? I will share this PPT in case something is left out. You can note down. Now comes opposite sides. What do you mean by opposite sides? A quadrilateral has two pairs of opposite sides. Is quadrilateral means the given quadrilateral? These red lines, can you see the red lines? Student, please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
These red
Yes,
lines means AB and CD are parallel. Opposites. Sorry, AB and CD are opposite. AB and CD are opposite. AC and BD are opposite. Just write this. In a given quadrilateral, write only this. In a given quadrilateral, opposite sides are AB and CD. In a given quadrilateral,
We have to make the figure also.
figure, I think it's the same figure. If it is not same, wait, let me check.
No,
ABC.
ma'am.
We can use the same figure, even AB and CD will remain same. AB and CD are still there. Okay, it doesn't matter. AB and CD are opposite sides. One pair is AB and CD and second pair is AC and BD. Just simply write this. In a given quadrilateral, opposite sides are AB and CD, AC and BD. In a given quadrilateral, opposite sides are AB and CD, AC and BD. In a given quadrilateral, opposite sides are AB and CD, AC and BD.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी, कभी बोलो.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you change previous slide?
Yes, 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 diagonals. Four sides, 4 angles, and 4 diagonals. 2 diagonals. Then opposite sides. Whose audio is on? Vinayak. Vinayak, put your audio off. Vinayak, have you written? आपने लिखा? Show me your copy. Show me your notebook. Okay. In a given quadrilateral, opposite sides are AB and CD and AC and BD. These are 2 pairs. AB and CD is 1 pair. Second pair is AC and BD. Student, have you written?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, yes.
Next is opposite angles. Now you have to draw the figure again because the figure is changed now. Opposite angles. Opposite angles. You can draw with free hand right now with pencil. Afterwards, you can draw again with a ruler. Or if you want, you can draw it with ruler only. It will not take much time. LMNO is a quadrilateral here. Let's write opposite angles. Can you see double lines here? L और N में double line है.
Yes.
और O और M में single line है. इसका मतलब O और M opposite है. और हाँ भी लिखवाते हैं. हाँ लिखना है बच्चे. You have to write this only. Second point. In a given quadrilateral. Second point. In a given quadrilateral, opposite angles are angle MLO, and this is a symbol of angle, beta. Use it as symbol of angle. angle MNO. Second pair is LMN, LMN, LON. आप देखेंगे ऑपोजिट एंगल्स में दो वर्टिसेस सेम,
एक मिनट अभी
दो वर्टिसेस सेम रहते हैं, सेंटर वाला वर्टिसेस वर्टेक्स चेंज हो जाता है. MO, MO, LN, LM, LN, LN, M and NO. Okay? Write only second point. Right.
मैम वेट
I'm
मैम
waiting.
फिगर ड्रा कर रहा हूँ बस.
I'm waiting. Don't worry.
Ma'am, do we have to draw the figure also?
Without figure, beta, you won't be able to match the answer, na? Because here values are changed. Triangle, quadrilateral हमने change कर दिया ना, L M N O कर दिया. पहले A B C D चल रहा था.
मैम डन.
Very good.
डन.
All of you please write down opposite angles of a quadrilateral. In a given quadrilateral, opposite angles are MLO, MNO. And second pair is LMN, LON. This is the second pair. And the pairs are shown like this. Double lines mean these are the opposite ones. And the single line means these are the opposite ones. Can I show you now next point?
मैम यस.
Ma'am, wait.
Divyansh, Vihan, Taraksh, are you able to write? Are you able to write? Have you finished?
Yes मैम.
Very good. Saksham, Sani, are you able to write?
मैम यस.
Okay. Aradhya, were you able to write, beta?
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Next point is adjacent sides. Adjacent का मतलब एक के बाद एक. Next to. Adjacent का मतलब होता है next to, or you can say adjoining. It has 4 pairs. I'll tell you. First pair is, मैम का माउस देखो ध्यान से, how mouse is moving. PQ, QR, QR, RS, RS, SP, SP, PQ, like this. And they have written PQ.
Ma'am, we have.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, we have to draw this figure.
Yes, because the names are again changed. You have
मैम
to
ये भी
draw.
लिखना है.
Only the last point.
Please tell it again.
I'll again tell. They have written PQ, PS, means PQ and PS. They are continuous. एक साथ आ रही है ना, एक के बाद एक.
Yes,
वो कहते हैं adjacent, जो एक के बाद एक साइड आती है. और मैम ने जैसे बताया वो भी लिख सकते हो, SP, PQ. Second pair PQ, QR. Third pair QR, RS. Fourth pair RS, SP. Okay? मैम चेंज करती है, बहुत इजी लगेगा आपको वो. मैम इज चेंजिंग दिस. लेट्स मेक इट लिटिल इजियर. PQ के साथ we will write.
मैम.
Beta, I am changing. You will be able to see. Don't worry.
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
Yes, I am making you write. PQ के साथ QR, then QR, then QR. You will find it easy this way. QR. With QR, I will take RS. RS. Then third pair RS.
Do we have to write?
जो मैम बोल रही हैं बेटा, for adjacent sides I am saying, I am reading out adjacent sides. SR, SP, SR, SP. समझना भी है बेटा साथ साथ. SP and PQ. Let me show you again. I'll show you again. Look here. Now look, PQ, QR. QR, RS, RS, SP, SP,
We have to draw figure.
PQ. Without figure, this will not, this segment does not have any meaning, beta. बिना figure के इस statement का कोई meaning ही नहीं है. बिना figure के how will you write the sides? Okay?
Ma'am, done.
Done.
This figure, this statement has meaning only when we see a figure. It has to be referred to a figure only. Figure से refer करके ही तो लिखेंगे adjacent sides. I'm again repeating continuous sides. PQ, QR, QR, RS, RS, SP, SP, PQ. This way it became little easier than the what it was shown earlier. वो भी ठीक था लेकिन ये थोड़ा easy हो गया उससे. Okay. I'll send this PPT. Don't worry if anything is missed out. You can write. Only the last point is to be written. Next is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles.
Ma'am, this is already
show the
done.
previous slide.
Previous slide. लो जी, previous slide. PQ, QR, QR, RS, RS, SP, SP, PQ.
And then
Adjacent angles की बात करेंगे अब हम. L, O, O, N, N, M, M, L. But we will write with 3 letters. Let's write. Now we have written this way only. L, M, M, N, N, O, O, L. जो दो लगातार आ रहे हैं, continuous आ रहे हैं, adjacent वो होते हैं. L के बाद M, M के साथ N, N के साथ O, O के साथ L. These are pairs.
Ma'am, we have to draw this figure.
Without figure, it has no meaning, beta. Hanji, who is asking? Who was asking something else also? Somebody was asking.
Ma'am, we have to write only second point.
Only second point. Once you write second point, first point is already done. It has got 4 pairs. 4 pairs है ना आपके 1, 2, 3, 4. ये तो already इसके अंदर आ गया. Once you return the names, this is already you have covered. I'm again repeating. L, M is 1 pair. Second pair is M, N. And third pair is N, O. And fourth pair is O and L. And this is the symbol of angle you have to put before the name of the angle. Angle can be named in 2 ways, either with 1 letter or it is always advisable कि आप 3 letters के साथ angle का नाम लिखें. It is always advisable to write the name of the angle with 3 letters.
Ma'am, can you show the previous
one? Anji लिखो. PQ, QR, QR, RS, RS, SP, SP, PQ.
Ma'am, please move to the next
अच्छा मैं आपको ये
for a
स्लाइड
minute.
भेज दूंगी. यू कैन रेफर जो रह जाएगा आप 5 से नोट कर लेना. एंड प्लीज गो थ्रू ऑल्सो. उसको समझना. रीड करोगे तो समझ भी आएगा. एंगल L, एंगल M, एंगल M, एंगल N, एंगल N, एंगल O, एंगल O, एंगल L.
मैम ये आपने अभी कराई थी ये स्लाइड.
Adjacent angles है ये. These are adjacent angles. These are adjacent angles. Hurry up, children. Hurry up.
These adjacent angles are straight angles.
No, no, no. They can be of any measure. They can be of any measure. Right now, we are not talking about the measurement. We are just talking about to identify them. What are adjacent? What are opposite? We are here identifying. पहचान रहे हैं हम उनको. ठीक है?
Ma'am.
अब ये देखो.
Yes,
ये सिर्फ समझ लो. ये सिर्फ समझ लो.
पीछे करना मैम.
मैम
पीछे
मैं
करना. एक
पीछे
second.
कर दो.
जल्दी करो बच्चे. हमको I wanted to show you one interesting video We'll do it faster. Otherwise we'll not be able to see that video. I'm again repeating. Adjacent angles are quadrant angles. L, M, M, N, N, O, O, L. अब आपको से समझाने के लिए आपको एक फिगर शो किया है. These are called adjacent. This blue and red, red and purple, purple and green, green and blue. And by arrow they have shown these are opposite. ऐसे opposite चलता है.
Write this also.
No, सिर्फ समझ लो अच्छी से. ऐसे opposite चलता है और ऐसे adjacent चलता है. ठीक है? Is there anybody who has any query in these angles?
Ma'am, no.
Speak up, please always give reply. Yes. Now let me show you one video based on this. I'll stop share this. I'll share the new screen with you. Just a moment. Yes. Let's see.
Television screen, an envelope, or a
Wait. Are you all able to see?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no.
Wait.
Ma'am, no.
Now,
Yes,
Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, yes.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
canvas are all examples of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is one word, but you can see that this part is colored red and this part is colored blue. Quadri basically means four and lateral means sides. If you observe, all these things have four sides. This is an example of a quadrilateral. To name the quadrilateral, we give names to these 4 points. We call them A, B, C, and D. These things that we just named are called vertices. And a quadrilateral will always have 4 vertices.
ध्यान से देखो
Each
बनाया
point is called the vertex. And as we've already seen, a quadrilateral has 4 sides. And the sides are called AB, BC, CD, and DA. So remember, every quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. There's another important property of quadrilaterals. Consider this table. The surface of this table is flat. It's a plane surface. If I draw a quadrilateral on a table, it will look something like this. If you look at the quadrilateral closely, you can see that all the vertices and sides of the quadrilateral lie on one plane. So a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and is a closed figure lying on one plane. Observe that a vertex is formed when 2 sides meet at a point. And what is formed between those sides is called an angle. This is an angle. A quadrilateral is also defined by its angles. It has 4 angles. Apart from the one we marked, this one, and this one. These are the 4 angles formed in a quadrilateral. But how do we name the angles? How can we name this green angle? Well, we can call it angle A. We just named the angle based on the vertex at which it is formed. But a better way to name it is to call it angle DAB, or you can
Very
also
good.
call it angle BAD. In these 2 cases,
these are the 3 ways of naming an angle, with even sometimes with one letter, but this is a better option when we use DAB or BAD.
we named it based on the sides. Similarly, this angle can be called angle ABC. This one can be called angle BCD, and this one angle CDA. And here's the last basic concept you need to know. In this quadrilateral, vertices A and C are opposite to each other, and vertices B and D are opposite to each other. The lines joining the opposite vertices are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. So these two lines are called the diagonals. In this figure, we can say that AC and BD are the diagonals. What are its practical applications? When you watch this video on a 17-inch laptop, what do you think is 17 inches? It's the length of the diagonal. Even when you watch your favorite TV series on a 51-inch TV, it's the diagonal that is 51 inches. So remember, a quadrilateral is a closed figure on one plane which has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. Are all
Ma'am, it
examples?
was a nice video.
Yes. This way, we recapitulated everything. This way, we recapitulated everything. Whatever I taught you
Ma'am.
today,
Yes,
we tried to recapitulate. There was one more video I selected for you. Let me see if we have time. I want to show you that also. Let me check that. Let me check. Okay. Let me check if we have time. I wanted to show you this also. This is for 4 minutes. Let me see how many.
We know that every quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. In this video, we will understand that when it comes to quadrilaterals, what adjacent and opposite mean. The term adjacent means next to each other.
Next to each
In a
other.
quadrilateral, they can be angles, sides or vertices. If they are adjacent, they are next to each other. Then what does opposite mean? It's simple. It means not next to each other. Just remember these two things and you will never be confused about what adjacent and opposite mean.
When you remember these two terms, adjacent means next to each other, opposite means not next to each other. If you remember these two terms, you can easily find out adjacent sides, adjacent angles, adjacent vertices. Similarly, opposite means not next to each other. So you can find opposite vertices, opposite angles, and opposite sides. Okay, children? Am I clear?
yes, and yes.
We can see
Ma'am,
this
yes.
again tomorrow in case we have time. And we'll also start with the exercise tomorrow. We're going to start with the exercise tomorrow. Anybody has any query? Anji Saksham bolo. Saksham, any query?
Ma'am, no.
Everybody has understood whatever I taught today?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, yes.
Coordinator samajh aaya beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please go through the
Ma'am,
PPT. I'll
tomorrow-
send the PPT. Goodbye, children. Take care. Tomorrow we have a class.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.